attachment $0.9, especially expression. For those people where they message me for my inbox, say they want start up attachment business, they want become attachment supplier, attachment wholesaler, but because of the rates where they for Nigeria currently, everybody they fear because they don't know whether they go make profits. Now, because of una, I don't sit down, make a lot of research, as in I waka gidi goni for una matter to go make sure say I bring ogbonge Chinese supplier wey go give us for affordable rate. Now imagine say you dey buy expression attachment 165 gram for $0.9. We all know how much wey e be for here. All you have to do is just do the conversion by yourself, do the calculation, make you know how much profit wey you go make inside this particular attachment business. Now una dey see all the other products wey dem get, no be only attachment o. All this thing wey you dey see here na wetin this particular factory dey sell, and this particular video wey you dey see so na live video. I mean confirm live video. They show am, they video am for inside the store to show me say yes, so this thing no be another person market o, na our market, and we go give you for better price. Una know how much all these products dey cost for Nigeria here. Now if you know say you want go into attachment business, you want become wholesaler and supplier, wetin you go do na to go for my description link, copy my number, message me for WhatsApp. Delivery no dey included o. Delivery no dey included. Now to confirm this particular video, I take my time, call them on video call to confirm say yes, so true this video wey dem sell for me na dem get am. Una see where me and them dey talk for video call, make e no be like say I dey carry wine. Una no mind me for my hair. I just dey wake up that morning and I gats catch them early morning. I know as e dey be. They even give me 3 missed calls sef. But now I don confirm am. Una see say the video na dem actually get the video wey dem send. So now una don see say I no dey bring rubbish for una. Now if you know say you wan go into attachment business, you wan make money, you wan cash out, send me message for my DM. Delivery fee no dey among go. We go create WhatsApp group. Everybody go come together. We go join money for the delivery fee, because a lot of people go dey talk say delivery fee dey expensive o. If we create a WhatsApp group of about 50 people, 50 of us go share the delivery fee money from China to Lagos, Nigeria here. Now if you don enter Lagos, Nigeria, you go come personally pay to ship am to your own location. Do all the calculation. If you need more inquiry or you need more information, all you have to do is still message me for my DM. Okay, I go see you guys later.